Oh, did you find your stick? Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Thursday, November 17th. I think Riley's going to chew on a stick while I go ahead and close up these cold frames. Today was 54 degrees. Tomorrow, it might break freezing. We got a little storm coming through. It's supposed to be flurries by midnight.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Riley and I want to thank you for stopping by the garden and helping us button up a few things. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, stay warm, and God bless you. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.